Tired of your Trello board looking like a bland, unorganized mess? I'm going to show you how to transform your Trello cards with custom colors, making visual organization a breeze and boosting your productivity. First, open the Trello board you want to customize. Find the card you want to change the color of. Click on the card to open it. In the card's details, you'll see a labels option. Click on it. Now, a menu with different colored labels will appear. Trello provides a variety of default colors to choose from. Select the color you want to assign to the card. For example, if it's a high priority task, you might choose red. Click the desired color. As you can see, the card now has the selected color displayed as a label. You can add multiple labels to a single card if needed. To give your labels more context, you can add text to them. Click the pencil icon next to a label to edit it. Type in a descriptive name, like urgent or in progress. Repeat these steps for all your cards, assigning colors and names that represent different categories, priorities, or statuses. Use these colors to quickly identify and manage your tasks. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of customizing Trello card colors. Experiment with different colors and labels to find what works best for your workflow, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Trello tips and tricks.